Hi, today we're going to be going over how to post an update on Chatter. Chatter is a great feature in the TechnoMile Growth Suite and allows users to tag other users, post messages and updates on specific records that do not belong in field updates. So for starters, let's go ahead and log into Growth. From here, we're going to go to our record that we want to post an update to. So let's go to an opportunity. Select opportunities, and we're going to select the opportunity that we have an update for. On the right side over here, you'll notice the Chatter tab. Click on Chatter tab. You'll notice that there's already been some activity, things like the gate review decks, etc. Next, we can click on this post, and then we can share an update. Type out our update. And additionally, we are able to tag individual users. So by typing the @ we can type in people's names and we can actually tag them. When you tag a user, they will get a notification that they have been tagged in a Chatter post. So in this case, we can tag Charlie and say, hey, we had a great conversation with our main POC. And when we hit share, Charlie will get an update that says we tagged them. This is also a great way just to keep record of what has been done for this opportunity, as now this stays with this opportunity in perpetuity, and everyone can come look at this and say, oh, looks like we had a great conversation with the main POC. So this is just a great way to keep people informed. It's a little easier than using emails or internal tools such as Teams or Slack, just because, again, it stays with the record for all time and it has a history of it.